created a full-stack JavaScript app. On the front end, it's React.js, and on the back end, it's node.js connected to a Mongo database. What I'm going to do in these videos is I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the code that's allowed me to create this application. I'm going to start off with a quick tour of the application, then I'm going to give a high-level tour of the various parts of the code, and then over the next videos I'm going to go through different parts of the application and try and take you on a journey not just of the actual code but the decision making in my head that made me use this or that, or the way I created stuff. This is a work in progress. I've currently finished the first version of this app. It's a pre-release version and I'm working on the app at the moment, so I'd appreciate any feedback that you might have and any dialogue. There might be a number of improvements that I could make right now, and I'm open to suggestions. So what is PonderMap? PonderMap is a way of helping people make decisions, and it does this by providing them with a way of recording the research that they might do into a document. And then that document in itself helps them to organize their research, but it also allows them to share their research with other people. And then in time, people will be able to contribute to their research, even if they don't necessarily have the same views on the conclusions. It's quite a simple application. Through the course of this walkthrough, I'm going to show you the login process, obviously. So there's a login and a forgot password process using tokens and how that all works. Then I've got the front end and the back end, and we'll go through both of those. So the node.js setup and how that's setting up the server and all of the dependencies that are used to create this application from a server point of view, and then the other dependencies used in the React front end side. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you through the folder structure of the application so you can get an idea of how the anatomy of the whole thing sort of holds together. So I'm going to go through the different folders, and I'm going to high level explain what the purpose of the folders is, and then after that I'm going to go into the package.json and just high level explain what the different dependencies are that I've installed are for. And then after that, we're then going to get into the actual flow of the app. So let's get to it. So here we have the root for the app, and you can see that there are a number of directories. There's the client, node modules, server, wiki, and then there's some files in the root. So the files in the root, fairly straightforward. You've got git ignore to prevent Git from loading in certain files such as the node modules. And then I've got the package lock and package.json, which we will look at a bit later, and just readme file and a few little notes. Once you've looked at the root, we're then going to look at the directories. And then we've really got these three folders. We've got the client, the node modules, and the server. So the node modules and the package.json, they are both relating to the server. So this application is deployed onto Heroku, and when it starts up in Heroku, this is the sort of entry point in the root, and that's where the application starts. So that's the overview. In the next video, we're going to go through the server directory and have a good look at that. So hope to see you in that video. Thanks, bye.